Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a folder in Gmail for emails. Firstly, go to Gmail on your desktop and log in if needed. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner, then select See All Settings from the Quick Settings menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Labels tab, then scroll to the Labels section and click on Create New Label. Enter a name for your new label, and if you want this label to be nested under another, check the box under Nest Label Under and choose a parent label. Click Create to save your new label. Just quick tip, you can also create a label directly from an email. Just open an email and click on the label icon. Select Create New and follow the prompts. These methods help you keep your inbox organized and makes it easy to find emails by category or topic. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.